Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today and hopefully you made a good pips today. Today is the 22nd of July, Thursday 2021, and let me share with you guys how my traders banked amazing pips today through a live intraday analysis in the real time and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Okay, so Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour, okay, so what we can see here, we were long from yesterday, as you can see here. So we were expecting a long pullback at this level. So we had this long trade, bank beautiful pips. Then we also had a short trade, counter short trade, and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you how I analyze this journey in 4-hour in intraday. And let me share with you guys here. If you look at the Euro USD, you can see here this morning I explained to my trader, look for pullback based on because previously price broke on this 4-hour, and explain to my trader, just keep taking a pullback because we can see here price respected this support level, then should keep taking all pullback. So you can see here beautiful pullback. We have one pullback. Afterwards, when the price retests this level, explain to my trader, enjoy another few pips. So you can see here price respected, very tight stop loss as soon as the price here. Then I also updated this analysis. I said, guys, look for another scaling trade, another long trade here. That analysis is here. You can see here at the New York session. That's what I said to trader. We have this pullback long, and I say, guys, you can add another scaling trade long on if the price gonna break this level. We can see here price came down, and beautiful, as you can see here, price nicely hit to the profit target, which is technically, if you look at here, this is a previous high. And that's what we explained to trader, consider banking some pips and let's see if you can get another pullback long trade here. But unfortunately we did not have a full pullback, but we have another counter beautiful trade. You can see here the price, basically when the price reversed like that, when we see this type of rejection, then we explain to trader, just wait. And most of us were expecting might gonna have another pullback, and then I did analysis. So guys, look, if the price gonna break, then we should be taking a long, or if the price gonna break a recent low, then we're taking a short trade here. Because if you look at the bottom, momentum was developed bearish and price could not maintain. We're supposed to be pulled back here, and that's what we explained to traders through live AUDUSD support. So you can see here beautiful pullback short, breakout short trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, explain to trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. And some of the traders are still holding this short trade. Good luck for them. As you can see, yesterday traders were holding long, they banked beautiful pips at this level. We'll let you know about this trade tomorrow, hopefully. Let's see. And let's move into the pound dollar. We had amazing trades on pound dollar too. If you look at the pound dollar 4-hour, we were long from today. You can see here beautiful long trade. We have a one small counter short trade at this level. Then we again pull back long here, and then we have another short trade here. So if you look at the pound dollar, this is what we explained to my traders. So look for counter short trade here, bank beautiful pips. Then we have another long trade here, target hit, bank beautiful pips, and then look for another short trade here. The reason why I explained to my trader that this is the level. If the price gonna break above that level and come back, then we're gonna be taking a short trade here. Might gonna have nice big short trade here. We'll let you know tomorrow. All right, so let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I did, and bank amazing pips on pound dollar, pound yen, both of them. Okay, so this is the analysis. Okay, let me share with you. Okay, this is the first analysis I did, right? And just London open, because I said to my trader, look for pullback. You can see the price went straight up here. This is the analysis I was expecting a pullback here. What happened? Price straight went here and hit this level, which is this level, which is around this major resistance level. So I did another analysis at that time. At the bottom, you can see here, this is the analysis. I did look for counter short trade here at this level, as soon as the red candle, and price came back to at the same level, which is I explained to trader. Let me make it slightly both of them so that you can understand what I'm talking. So we had amazing trades on pound dollar. We really had a nice journey on pound dollar. Okay, so you can see here, this is the first analysis looking a pullback here, and price did not develop pullback. Then I did another counter short trade. You can see this is the time around 8 o'clock. This is a GMT time 7, and counter short trade. We had a counter short trade, banked beautiful pips, and then again based on the previous analysis at this level we had another long trade here. Basically that's the level previously broken, short trade here, come back here, and then take a long trade here. So we had both journey, beautiful pips. Most of the traders really enjoyed it today. Okay, so at the New York session, when I explained to trader, look guys, if you look at the 4 hour, the price is at the major resistance level, also 100 EMA in 4 hour, and said to my trader, look for valid entry. So you can see here price develop another ascending triangle pattern, beautiful breakout, and some of the traders are still holding short, expecting at least this level, or am I gonna be coming back? So you can see here we had a beautiful short trade on pound dollar. Again, we're gonna we always keep an eye on 4 hour and then refine entries and exit, and banking beautiful pips. This is what happened every single day, guys. All right, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. Okay, so dollar CAD. Okay, what happened here? If you look at the 4 hour, yesterday, you can see we had a beautiful short trade here, right? We also had a counter long trade. So today, if you look at this candle, this is the bearish engulfing candle. We had a short trade here. As soon as the price hit around the previous level, that's what we explained to trader, price going to develop double bottom. Am I gonna have a long trade here? But if you look at just a minute, let me share another interesting part of it, which is if you look at here, price respected here, respected here, respected here, respected here. It does make sense, price might gonna bounce back. So we had a long trade here. So we have both short and long. So keep an eye 4 hour, and let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market and dollar CAD. And if you look at this is the, let me clean this one. Okay, so if you look at, this is the analysis I did at the London morning session. Explain to my trader, look for this breakout, and if the price is gonna break, then we should be keep taking a pullback short trade here, because it looks like the price is respecting it, 126,000 level. As you can see, we had breakout, pullback, we have another deep pullback, short trade. We mentioned all these pullbacks. Again, I also updated that analysis just to help my traders to take the maximum benefit. So we have another beautiful, I did another analysis. You can see a beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, and instantly I mentioned to my trader, guys, enjoying pipping. So we had a beautiful short trade, and then afterwards, as soon as the price reversed, as always, explain to my trader, look for valid entry. You can see here, this is pullback. See, nicely reversal. And if you look at the price action, price did not respect these levels. So this is what we call a false breakout. Price broken. As always, after the breakout, we need a confirmation. That confirmation, pullback. As you can see here, price nicely respected at this level, which is broken. Pullback, as mentioned in the analysis and through live audio commentary. As soon as the price hit 200 EMA in intraday, explain to trader, it's time to bank some profit. And then look for another pullback, which is interestingly performed. You can see here, we bank some profit here, as mentioned here at the bottom. Then I say, guys, look for another pullback. That's what exactly I broadcast that intraday analysis instantly. You can see here another beautiful. As soon as the price hit the previous level, enjoying pipping, or look for another pullback. So that's what we do every single day. We really enjoyed it. And beautiful trade. And as you look at the bigger picture here, it looks like price developing a double bottom. And if the price gonna break 126,000, then this is the target and this is the final target. So let's see. Otherwise, I can see pullback. So we'll let you know, because as I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. So we best take like 10, 15, 20, 30 pips maximum in one trade and keep banking it, and end of the day make probably 60, 80 or 100 pips. It depends on the market condition. All right, so let me show you another beautiful trade. You can see here we had a 25 beautiful analysis. Look at this, guys. All of them consider banking some pips. The best trade we really enjoyed it, that was the pound yen. And if you look at pound yen, we have the same story. We had a breakout and we have a counter short trade and then long trade here. Let me share with you the pound yen quickly. And if you look at here, okay, let me make it back. If you look at the pound yen, this is the 4 hour. Okay, this is the end. You can see here what happened here at that morning. Explained to trader, if the price gonna break, then we're taking a short. More likely momentum is bullish, so we might going to see pullback here and take a pullback, or take another scaling trade. What happened here? Pullback, then another scaling trade. As soon as the price hit this level, explain to trader it's time to bank some profit. So we bank some profit, and as soon as the price hit to the major level, and that's what we explained to trader, that at this level basically. So we explained to trader, look for another counter short trade. So which we explained in details through live audio, that the price developed a double top here at the resistance level in 4 hours. So we have this one, and then when I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks. So you can see we have another pullback until the same level which is previously in the previous analysis broken. As soon as the price hit and reverse, I say, guys, bank some profit. Might gonna see pullback long, which is performed lately, and most of the traders have taken the pullback too. Then at the New York session, that's what I explained to trader, guys, the price is going to respect this major resistance level. So just taking we have another valid, you can see a symmetric triangle pattern breakout, and explain trader, keep taking a pullback short trade here as soon as the price hit to the first target, which is, you can see here in 4 hour previous level. And that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy pipping. So we had a beautiful short trade, long trade on pound yen. As you can see, we mainly focus in 4 hour. See that what's happening, developer sentiment, you can see here. So we're expecting some of the trader expecting that the price might gonna come down, and they're still holding short trade, but they already banked beautiful pips, as you can see here. And even if you look at here, price nicely respected here. We have this major support resistance level broken, as you can see here. So let's see what sort of candle. If this is going to be bullish, bearish engulfing candle, then we might get to see some short trade. We'll let you know next time. And some of the traders are still holding short. Good luck to them. Okay, you can see one of the traders still holding it. That's one of the New York trader. As you can see, he already banked 61 pips, and only 1 or 2 pairs. You can see here, bank 20 pips. If I show you, this one is, again, I said to them, just keep taking it. See, I explained the triple top. You can see here, beautiful, bank beautiful pips. Then another one, 14 pips short. As soon as the price broken, say to guys, every time when the price break the previous high, just keep a short trade, because we're watching in 4 hour. So that's what happened, banking it. And one of the traders, he's still holding it, and target profit is quite big. So good luck. As you can see here, again, that's the again pullback triple top. He already banked few pips and holding this trade at the break even. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis details, guys. That's what I'm saying to you guys. The most important thing is you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking pips like that in real time, and developing your trading skill in real time. Once you develop the trading skill and producing this type of consistency result, then definitely I can help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested, how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time, through live intraday analysis, and how I help them get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, which is completely free, guys. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so most welcome if you are interested, or even if you are experienced trader. As you have seen, this is purely price action trading based on the 4 hour and through the live intraday analysis. I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.